Welcome to our tutorial video on the MindOpt Optimization Solver. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to download, install, and use the MindOpt Solver across various programming languages. We will also introduce our latest online platform MindOpt Studio that's designed to streamline your development process for solving decision-making problems.
When choosing an optimization solver, we usually weigh two critical aspects that are the solving capability and the user interfaces to call the solver. Particularly, we care about whether the solver offers adequate support for mainstream programming and modeling languages. MindOpt ticks all these boxes. So far, MindOpt provides robust solving capabilities that spans linear programming, mixed integer linear programming, quadratic programming, and semi-definite programming, making it a powerhouse in the operational research sphere.
MindOpt runs on x86 architecture and compatible with Windows, Linux, and macOS operating systems. It provides a command line interface in default and also offers user-friendly APIs for popular programming languages such as C, C++, Python, C#, and Java. Furthermore, MindOpt supports multiple modeling languages and tool of OR problems, including AMPL, Pyomo, Pulp, and our original modeling language MAMPL. MAMPL is an universal algebraic modeling language. You can find more information about MAMPL in this website. The solver also supports standard optimization problem data formats like .lp, .mps, .nl, and .s.
We offer various authentication methods for you to use the solver. User can choose cloud authentication or local hosted license. We highly recommend the cloud authentication. It's totally free for now and comes with handy routine to manage and renew your license. Now, let's see how to install the MindOpt solver in your local computer. First, go to our official website on the Alibaba International Station and search for solvers. Click on Download SDK of MindOpt. It will bring you to the Product Document Center. We list all tailored installation guides for each operating system here. Please select the one that matches your setup.
If you're using a Linux system, for example, simply copy and paste the provided installation command into your terminal to execute.
Once it's done, check the solver's version number by MindOpt V to confirm the installation is successful. Next, you need to activate the solver. Let's see how to configure the free cloud license.
From the MindOpt homepage, click the free trial button and follow the instructions to complete the cloud license purchase for free. Upon successful purchase, you'll see your remaining quota and options to manage your license. After purchasing the license, you then need to download a config file into your computer to connect with the online license. Click your available service list and find out the MindOpt cloud license we just purchased. Use the authentication file generator to create the local config file. You need to input your Alibaba Cloud account's AK information in this step. You can retrieve your AK details under Access Key Management in your account menu. It's used for encrypted identification checking when connecting cloud services. You can either fill in your AK information when generating the config file or directly paste into the configuration file you've downloaded. Once it's done, you can start the cloud authentication with the command MindOpt-C, and you should witness your cloud-based license is validated and connected successfully. The license file must be stored in the MindOpt directory.
In the next part of this video, let's see how to use the solver. Let's start with the basic command line interface. Go back to the Document Center, click on the User Manual, and find the section of Command Line Call for detailed guidance.
Let's try a small example here. Navigate to the example data folder within your installation path in the terminal, execute the MindOpt command, followed with a .mps problem model file name, and watch the solver print out solutions right in your terminal.
Next, let's see how to use Python to call the solver. User can write the problem model in Python language and save it as a Python file.
Before using the Python API, user first need to install necessary dependencies with pip, and then install our MindOpt Py package under the MindOpt installation folder. After that, you can tackle problem instances in a native Python way. For C and CPP calling, user needs to compile the problem instance first using make and then run the resulting executable. You can try it out with the example given in the CPP folder. Once the model is compiled successfully, just run the executable to solve the problem.
For those working with C#, please ensure your .NET environment is ready, otherwise the model compiling will fail.
Then we compile and run according to the steps in the document. Here, we need to change to the local version. At last, let's try Java. Go to the Java example folder, copy-paste the first line of command given in the document to compile the problem model in Java format. After compiling, just run the second line of command in the instruction to run the executable instance. Beyond the local installation of the MindOps solver, we also present MindOps Studio, our online platform allowing you to harness MindOps in a cloud-native fashion. It features an integrated web IDE and debugging assistance, making it perfect for quick development and educational purposes. Just access MindOps Studio from the service homepage. You can also find our other product services and support contact channel here. Inside the MindOps Studio, you can find a gallery of OR problem examples, which guides you how to use the online platform to solve them. You can experiment with these demo projects, share them with your collaborators, and enjoy the all-in-one integrated development environments. MindOps Studio supports both the Python and Mample kernel for programming, and offers Unix terminal for advanced command line interaction. Again, Mample is our original modeling language. You can write and build your optimization problem model in this kind of algebraic script without dive into the solver's interfaces. Actually, user can easily switch between different backend solvers and compare their performances, such as MindOpt, CBC, Gurobi, and so on. To do this, you just need to change a single line of Mample script without touching the rest part of a problem model. Finally, don't forget to use the searching bar to find out more detailed guidance about the solver's API in the manual. You can search for any interface parameters through the searching bar on the left top corner. It will show you the complete instruction about how to use the parameter with examples. That's all for this tutorial video. Thanks for watching.